Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Genmoji and Instagram on your phone, then sign into both accounts. Create or pick the Genmoji you want and export it as an image or GIF. Once exported, open Instagram and start a story or post draft. Make sure camera and storage permissions are enabled so Instagram can access the exported file. This first step gets your assets ready. It saves time when you move to placement and animation inside Instagram. You import the exported Genmoji into Instagram Story, Reels, or a post by selecting the media library. Tap the Genmoji to place it, then pinch, rotate, and drag to position it exactly where you want. This is critical for composition. Once placed, add stickers, text, sound, or effects to enhance context. For Reels and multi-clip stories, set duration and layer multiple Genmojis carefully, making sure each appears when you intend. Because timing, you finalize by previewing your story or reel. Check animation timing, audio sync, and any overlays. Adjust clip length, sticky placements, and captions. Once satisfied, publish or save as draft. If the exported Genmoji won't import or plays without animation, clear app caches, re-export at standard size, and update both Genmoji and Instagram. If problems persist, use MP4 for motion or high-quality PNG for stills, and retry. That step usually resolves format or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.